Good morning. Today's our topic is imperative sentences. What is imperative sentence? We know about it. Imperative sentence starts with action verb. Imperative sentence starts with action verb and it has the emotion, feelings. Which emotions, feelings? Request, order, command, advice, suggestion, instruction. These feelings are in imperative sentence we can feel. Every person feel other emotions in one sentence. One or two emotions we can feel differently. Okay. So say here, said to changes into requested. If you want to indirect speech, said to changes into requested, ordered, commanded, suggested, advised, instructed, etc. Whatever the feelings we want to feel here, we want to see in a sentence. Okay. Connective is used to, if the sentence is affirmative sentence, imperative affirmative sentence, then we put connective to, and if we see imperative negative sentence, then we put connective not to. Which connective? Not to. In negative sentence we use connective not to, and in positive affirmative sentence we use connective to only. Okay. See here the sentence. My teacher said to me, complete your homework. This is imperative sentence. Complete is action verb. The sentence starts with an action verb. There is no subject in an imperative sentence. We cannot see here any subject. We see only action verb and other verb. Okay. So see here, my teacher said to use complete your homework. Means which emotions, which feeling do you feel here? You can see here. Complete your homework. The teacher may be suggested, instructed, ordered, advised. You can feel whatever. If you want, means if you conclude it, it is instruction. Okay. Then we put in a sentence instructed. What can we put? Instructed. Okay. The teacher said to me, complete your homework. Means यहाँ पे instructed भी आ सकता है, ordered भी आ सकता है, requested भी हो सकता है, लेकिन we cannot put here requested, and suggested भी we can put here. Okay. Teacher instructed me to complete the sentence itself can join directly by adding to. टू कनेक्टिव यूज कर दिया हमने तो सीधा ही सेंटेंस हमें कनेक्ट कर देना है. टू कंप्लीट your second person change according to the listener. What is listener? me का possession क्या है? my. me का possessive form कौन सा है? my. So we put here my. your is second person, it is possessive pronoun. So me का जो possessive pronoun होता है वही हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है. me का possessive my homework. Which connective we use here? to. Teacher instructed me to complete my homework. Then we also say teacher suggested me to complete my homework. Teacher ordered me to complete my homework. This is indirect speech. Okay. Imperative sentence में connective to use होता है. It's very compulsory. Okay. And reporting verb change according to the emotions and feelings in a sentence. Then she said to me. She said to me. पूरा sentence read करना पड़ता है. Please give me your book. Please suggest us request. What the please suggest us request. So we have to remove from a sentence please and we put here requested. What we use here? Requested. She requested me. We remove here said to. Said to changes into requested. She requested me to. Which action verb here? To give me Me is the first person, so me change according to the reporter. What is reporter? C. C का ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर्म क्या है? Her. Give her, and here the other pronoun is your. Your means second person. Second person change according to the listener. Listener is me. Me का possessive pronoun है my. Me का possessive pronoun कौन सा है? My. So to give her my book, me change according to the reporter, and your change according to the listener. So according to the reporter and listener, we have to change the pronouns subject, object, and possessor. Okay. Then third sentence, I said to my sister, please. Again I can see here please, so I put here requested. I requested my sister. I requested my sister, and connective to यहाँ पे मैंने यूज किया है. I requested my sister to open the door. To open the door. Full stop. We have to remove double inverted comma from a sentence. Librarian said to Ashok. Said to Ashok, keep quiet. Keep quiet is a suggestion, is an order, is an instruction. Okay. We put here instruction. Instructed. Librarian instructed. Yeah, we can put here requested also. One or two person put the reporting verb according to their emotions, feelings, and understanding power. Librarian instructed Ashok to keep quiet. To keep quiet. Okay, full stop. We put here two connecting. Then the second next sentence, the captain. Which emotions we can see here? Attack the army. Attack the army. The captain said to the soldier. Soldier means यहाँ पे ordered या commanded. Okay, the commanded we put here commanded. Captain commanded the soldier. Captain commanded the soldiers to attack the army. Attack the army. The captain commanded the soldiers to attack the army. Then the next sentence, I said to him, leave this place at once. I said to him, leave this place at once. यहाँ पे order भी हो सकता है, request भी हो सकती है, then advice भी हो सकता है. So whatever the emotions you should feel, that you can put the words instead of reporting verb. Requested, ordered, suggested, advice. I put here suggested. I suggested him. I suggested him. Which connective do we use here? To. I suggested him to leave, and this change into that place at once. That place at once. I suggested him to leave that place at once. Okay. Next sentence. The master said to the servant, fetch me a glass of water. Master and servant की बात है तो ordered ही आएगा. Okay. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. The master ordered the servant. Master ordered the servant to fetch. Master ordered the servant to fetch. Me is the first person, so me. First person change according to the listener. Reporter. So we put here reporter's objective pronoun him. Servant to fetch him a glass of water. A glass of water. Okay. So master and servant की बात है तो हमने यहाँ पे ordered लिखा. Soldier आया तो commanded लिखा. Then we can see here doctor and patient. The doctor advised patient to take care of his or her. Patient should be his or her health. His or her health. The doctor advised patient to take care of his or her health. The next sentence is gardener said to children, don't pluck the flowers. Don't pluck the flowers. यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं the sentence imperative negative sentence. How to make it in indirect speech? Gardener suggested या told भी लिख सकते हैं. Children suggested children not to pluck the flowers. Not to pluck the flowers. We put here not to as a connective because it is imperative negative sentence. So connective is used not to. Okay. So these are the imperative sentence changes into indirect speech.